Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to install websites as apps in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Navigate to the website you would like to turn into an app. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on Apps and select Install this site as an app. Enter a name for the app and click Install. As you can see, the app has been installed on your PC. Now select whether you want to pin this app to Taskbar, Start menu or Desktop. Select your preferred options and click Allow to proceed. As you can see, the site has been installed as app on our PC. Also, the app has been pinned to our taskbar, desktop, and start menu. Similarly, you can install other websites as apps on your PC. Thank you for watching.